This is the video notes that are going to go with exterior angles of a triangle. Okay, so let's just get our vocabulary and basic knowledge into place. So I'm going to just draw a little triangle right here. And I'm going to extend one of the sides out. Okay, now I have 4 angles in this picture, so I'm going to label them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we've got 3 vocabulary words we need to make sure we understand. The first one is interior angles. Interior means inside. The angles that are inside the triangle are angles 1, 2, and 3. So I'm just going to write this right here. Angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 are interior angles. Okay? Now, our next vocabulary word is the opposite of interior angle, which means exterior angles. Angle 4, if you look right here, is not inside the triangle. So that angle is considered to be exterior. So let's write that down. Angle 4 is an exterior angle. Okay? Now, we have one more vocabulary word, which is called remote interior angles. Okay? So remote interior angles, whoops, are the 2 angles opposite an exterior angle. Well, that's a mouthful right there. So what do I mean by that? Okay, well, if angle 4 right here, notice we've already decided it's exterior, so it's outside. What angles are opposite to angle 4? That would be angle 1 right here and angle 2. 3 is not opposite. 3 is adjacent. Now remember that from 6th and 7th grade. 3 and 4, they're next door neighbors. So 3 is adjacent. 1 and 2 are not adjacent. And in math, if they're not adjacent, they're considered opposite. Okay, so I'm going to put right under here, angle 1 and angle 2 in my picture are my remote interior angles. Okay, now pause it, copy this down if you need to. Now, the next little information, why is this important for us? There's a new little rule in math. Fun math fact. Okay, this is the rule that you're supposed to know for 8th grade math. That the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is going to equal up to the measure of angle 4. So, what that's really saying is that exterior angle 4 is the same measurement as these 2 opposite angles added together. Now, one way that I note this a lot of times in pictures to help me is this. Angle 1 plus angle 2, see my little plus sign, is equal to angle 4. 1 plus 2 equals 4. okay? Angle 1, the measurement now, how many degrees it is. The measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2 is going to add up and equal to the measurement of angle 4. Well, now, how does that work with us working out some problems? Okay, well, let's try this. Speed this up so you can see it. Example 1. Let's just kind of duplicate the picture we had up there at the top. That's just like your really most basic, easy to see picture. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you that this angle right here is 40 degrees. This angle up here is 60 degrees. And I want to figure out what X is. Okay? Well, our rule says this. Our exterior angle is equal to those two interior angles added together, right? So to show my work over here, I could say X is equal to 60 plus 40. And put my little degree symbols there. And that's going to equal up to 100 degrees. And there's my work. And there's my answer. Now, anytime they have you looking for an exterior angle, that's what you're going to do. Okay? Now, let's think about this. Sometimes they're not going to always have the triangle looking like this. They're going to maybe flip things around, turn them around. What if I have something like this? Okay? So see how I got a triangle, but it don't look anything like the first one. I'm going to let my exterior angle right here. Now, this angle right here is going to be 100 degrees. This angle down here in the corner is going to be 30 degrees. Okay? So I have my two remote interior angles is 130. What do I know? I know X is equal to 100 plus 30. So what does that mean? X equal to 100 degrees plus 30 degrees. And that means X is going to equal to 130 degrees. Okay? Now, go ahead and finish copying your notes because, guys, I can't make this any more challenging. All I can do is just put some different numbers in there. I could actually use fractions and decimals if I wanted to also, but I'm not, okay? So, finish copying your notes into your interactive notebook and then go to Canvas and work your assignment that goes with these notes.